So today's video is about the Ego 52cm self-propelled Select Cut Mower. That's a mouthful, that is. We're really asking the question, is petrol dead? Get your lawn on.
Ego 52cm Select Cut. It is a battery mower and very well made, and as you can see, it really looks the goods. It has a powerful brushless motor with power that meets and exceeds the power of petrol. Durable weather resistant construction, 52cm blade, adjustable mowing height and bar height, so it's very versatile. A 70 litre catch bag, which is truly huge. With all these features and being self-propelled, it promises to be amazing. The multi-blade system has many advantages, producing a better cut with the added uplift and smaller mulch clippings. And I really like this feature. It's easy to fold up, and that's great for storage because it doesn't take up much room in your shed. And unfolding for use is super easy. The handle, like all the components, is super well made and is adjustable in 3 positions, so you can mow at a low height, medium height, or even a high height for tall people. A half chute is featured to direct the clippings into the clipping bag, and a stone guard is there for safety. Quality and the finish of the materials is outstanding at the controls. It's all intuitively laid out at your fingertips, and the variable speed will go from 2.2 to 5 km per hour. To activate the blades, press and hold the center button and pull the lever, and that will get your blade started. Pressing the button on the side will get your self-propelled going, and you're mowing.
Well, what was the cut like? It was absolutely fantastic, I'm telling you. My Tiff Tuff coach, which is a couple weeks old, has had a few cuts with it now at 25mm. Fantastic. I wasn't expecting such a nice cut for a rotary mower for one, but also it is quite thick and it just slayed through it, and just the power really was on show when I was doing it on Stacey's Buffalo. Fantastic, can't complain about that. I was a bit apprehensive, yes, initially with the plastic base, but look, don't worry about it. It's durable, it's solid. Don't worry about it, that's all I have to say. I was a little bit apprehensive about it being a battery mower. Don't worry about that either, fantastic. I have the 10 amp hour battery, and that will give you more than an hour's mowing, which is plenty enough for my yard. And don't forget that the battery's swappable with all your other Ego stuff. So, you know, you can do your edging, your blowing, your mowing, and you'll still have plenty of battery power left. The wheels, they're fantastic, nice and smooth. There's a good range of mowing heights, 25mm right through to 90mm. Get that up there. A bit hard doing it on your knees, but so there's plenty of room for people who like a higher cut. My only criticism there is I'd love to see this go down to 15mm. I think it's a real shame that it doesn't. But look, 25mm, you can see that this cooch is looking lovely. This mower is so quiet. Listen to this. Very, very quiet indeed. Remembering that the mic is actually on me. I've got a little lapel mic, so you won't need earmuffs or anything like that. And it won't bug your neighbours that much, so that's fantastic. Commercially, a lot of the guys are going for this as well, simply because They could extend their mowing times a bit where they're not annoying their clients' neighbours or anything like that. So you can see why this is just becoming popular. Not only that, because of the ease of the battery, not having to worry about petrol and stuff like that. Totally and utterly love the handle and control set out on this thing. It's just amazing. Not only are you getting less vibrations with not having a petrol engine on it, but these grips are just, you just want to hold it, you know, it's just good. Everything's at your fingertips, you know, so you can start it, no problems, and go forward when you want. Whee!
The handle and controls truly deserve a special mention because they're great. To the left you'll have the lead on and off button which controls the lights of the mower. So you can mow in the dark or mow when it's twilight, and this is a fantastic feature, especially during winter time. You have full control of the variable speed by twisting the knob at the top, and you can turn it off if you so wish. Pressing the button in the middle and pulling the handle will get you started, and the green buttons top, left and right, well, they control the variable speed if you're using that feature. And finally on the bottom right there's different coloured lead indicators for various warnings. All in all, this will give you control over your mower and have a great mow.
You know, you don't have to use this as a self-propelled mower, you can push it, but you know, if you want to use the self-propelled, it really gives you a nice even cut, and that's what I think is contributing to the overall cut. Also contributing to that cut is the multi-blade system. The twin blade system is a cracker. Advantage of it is that it'll create more uplift of your grass, so it'll actually stand it up before the cut, and the double blade will make the mulch clippings smaller, so great if you want to mulch. You do get a mulch plug with this. Put a mulch plug in there to mulch, but the good thing about the smaller clippings is that you'll be able to fit more in your bag. Now whether you're a tall or short person, it doesn't really matter because you've got the 3 height adjustment. So if you're really short or you prefer mowing low like that, you can. A medium setting, 5'6" to 5'10", that might be their preferable. And for the big guys and girls, up here, and that's where I like to have it. The controls are really simple, and what I do like about the self-propelled, and mind you, you can use this as self-propelled or just push it yourself. So I'm just making sure that the key's in there and this will work. When you press the button, it doesn't go straight up to that speed straight away, it's quite gradual. I'll try that again. So it takes a good 1.5 seconds at a guess to go up to that speed. Lovely. If you're a fast walker, you can go to 5 kilometers an hour, and that's actually quite quick. I might go back a little bit. You can hear that going, you can see that, how fast that is. I might even go back a bit further. And that takes a couple of seconds at a guess. I suppose the two-way safety system you could call it. Pressing down and then pulling the bar is fantastic, and you just let go of the bar when you don't want the blades going. The bag comes off nice and easy, and she's a big bag. She'll hold a lot of clippings, and you can hold it there, and it's also got a bit of a bar here, so you've got that two-point system, I suppose you could say, when you're emptying your clippings. So that's really appreciated. So this stores up really nice as well. Perhaps I'll go through that. And it's quite an easy matter of undoing the clips here, pushing that down, clipping them back up, hold down the lever, go all the way there. Now you've got a handle here and a handle here, and you can just pull that up nice and easy. And I've got the battery in there, and that's still fairly easy. Put it down, handle, into your position, undo the clips, pull the handle up, and boom, you're ready to go. We here at Lawnporn absolutely love this mower. It's a fantastic rotary mower, and everybody should have a rotary mower in their arsenal. And look, I was a bit apprehensive at first, but I've got to say, absolutely love it. All my sort of fears about battery and about being a plastic base, totally gone. That's why we made this #1 prize in the grass off, the Lawnporn grass off that goes between December and February. Get your entries in, go to the Lawnporn page, top pin post to get all the entry details. And if you've got the best lawn in Australia, you could win this mower, which is pretty schmick in our opinion. Yeah, it's just fantastic. So to answer the question, is petrol dead? Well, I don't think it is, but this certainly gives it a total nudge. I would prefer to use this over a petrol mower of around about the same money. This goes for $1,149, simply because of the ease of it. Nice and quiet, less vibrations, and less hassle with maintenance because of being a battery operated system. I was a little apprehensive at first, but tell you what, fantastic. I can't really fault it at all. So if I gave this a score out of 10, it would be a 9, simply because I'd love to see this go to 15mm. I think it's a real shame they haven't done that, but look, I'm not going to go on about that. And look, a couple of times using the self-propelled system, I sort of accidentally hit it. But look, that's just a me thing, where I like to put my hands on the handle, and that just takes a little bit of a bit more thought when I'm using the mower, just to make sure that I don't accidentally activate it. Sorry, I haven't got this mower tested on a huge slope or anything like that. I'm sure it'll handle it well. There is actually a bit of a slope to this lawn, but probably not enough to give a fair assessment of it. Yeah, and sorry I haven't got a Kikuyu lawn to check it out on, but Stacey's Buffalo was nice and thick. Look, this would handle Kikuyu, no problems at all. And the battery being interchangeable with all the other Ego tools, it's just a fantastic system to have. You know, it doesn't take much room in the shed. Yeah, I really, really liked it. Thank you, Ego, for letting us have a go. Well, I hope you like this review. If you do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Lawnporn Lawn Care Tips channel. It helps me grow.